How to redeem an Amazon gift card. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily uh, redeem an Amazon gift card on your account. For that, you first have to open up the Amazon app, or if you don't have it, you can just continue on with the browser. The process is pretty much the same. Now once you're here, you want to head over to the account section by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom. And once you land on this page, you can find different settings. So you basically have to tap on the settings menu at the top right corner. Now from here you can go to account settings. You could also tap on the three dots or the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen and then go to account. And once you're on the account section, scroll down here until you find payment. And then on the second option from payment, you'll find manage gift card balance. Just tap on it. That will show you all of your gift card balance on Amazon. And if you want to redeem a gift card, tap on redeem another gift card and then just go ahead and open it up. Now from here, you can just go ahead and enter the code and then tap on apply to your balance and the gift card balance will be added to your account. That's about it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.